to my YouTube channel. Actually, I'm going to do a challenge video, which is like what's inside my bag. Yeah! So here's my beautiful bag. It's my bag. So I'm going to do, this is my college bag, okay? I used to take in university, okay? College, university, school, anything. So first of all, I will open this one, okay? And it have, first thing is wallet, okay? This is having, in this card, in this point I have money, and in this point I have cards, and this is my mother picture. See? Okay, so let me show you my cards. This is a Pakistani bank card, okay? This is Indian currency, a 50 rupees Indian currency. One of my Indian friends, he gave it to me. Regular bus card, which I showed you in my last video, okay? This one is my bank card in Ukraine. And this one is my student card. See, look at this one. I'm pretty. This is my another bank card, and this is my father's card because I have two cards. I'm rich. This is one block one, but still I have. Okay. And this is a Kiev metro card. Okay, let's move further. We waste enough time, so let's go. This is sanitizer. Yeah. So nowadays it's really important, and I'm a good girl. This is lotion, which now I will apply on my hand. See, look at this one. Lotion. This is not the actual the box of this lotion. हम पाकिस्तानी, हम जुगाड़ ढूंढ लेते हैं. Let's move. Ta-da! This is the hand wash. You know that why hand wash is needed. This is not important thing. This is perfume. I like the Mutual Love one. You can find in Pakistan or maybe the online. Sweet. The next thing, I have AirPods. Kind of cute. It's so small. Don't try to destroy my videos. She's my mom.
Oh my gosh, she looks like Malala.
No, I don't like Malala. Okay, now comes to the main point, main area, okay, where I have the most important things. Not only these things are also important, but the main parts. Okay, so I have this individual study plan which I got from the university. The next, I have this iPad, most of the like study things. If I need to write anything, note down, or the books, the material, study material. The most important right now nowadays, I have exams, so for the exams it is important. यूनिवर्सिटी में ही हूँ, डिपार्टमेंट में बैठी हूँ, एंड हमें यहाँ एक हाफ आवर की शॉर्ट ब्रेक हुई थी, so I thought why not we can make a video. Yeah. To move further, I have one ball pen. And this one more. You give it to me, na, with very respectfully. So I just stole it. It's sympathetic. Okay, one pair of gloves and comb. पहले कुछ टाइम पहले मैं हिजाब नहीं करती थी, तो मैं कॉम अपने साथ रखती थी. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoy it, and thank you so much for watching my video, and please do subscribe, and a lot of love. Bye.